आज आमी हांगा एकठांय जावपाक कारण म्हणल्यार न्यू गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म जाता आनीक आमी फाटल्या गव्हर्मेंटाचे जे हे आशिल्ले कर्म आशिल्ले कारनामे आशिल्ले ते आमी एक्सपिरियन्स केल्ले एंटायर कंट्रीन आनीक जो वोटींग जाल्लो आहा तो एगेन्स्ट दीस गव्हर्मेंट which was following divisive politics, which was out to destroy the constitution. And त्या कारणाक लागून आमी हो एक डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दवरला आज जेन्ना ऑन द बॅकग्राउंड वेन द गव्हर्मेंट इज बीइंग स्वन इन न्यू गव्हर्मेंट जेन्ना फॉर्म जाता तेन्ना आनी हें कारण म्हणल्यार कितें तांकां परतून याद दिवपाक की आमचो हो जो लढो आसा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेफगार्ड करपाचो हो कंटिन्यू कायम उरतलो आनी एट द सेम टायम लोकांकूय एक मेसेज दिवपाक की आमी आमचें काम सोंपुना आमी जो तांचो जो प्रयत्न आशिल्लो की 400 पार आनी हे सगळे घोशणा दिताले ते गव्हर्मेंट जावपाक तो आमी तांचो असफल केलो प्रयत्न पूण तितल्यान आमी रेस्ट घेवपाक शकना कित्याक आमकां फुडल्या हेका आनी कितलेशे चॅलेंजीस आसात आनी हे चॅलेंजीस आमकां फेस करपा पडटले आनी आमकां एलर्ट रावपा पडटलें मेन म्हणल्यार जेन्ना असले कसले प्रयत्न जाता जे लोकांक डिवायड करपा सारके आमचेर अन्याय करपा सारके लोकांचेर अन्याय करपा सारके कॉर्पोरेट जे लॉबी आसा तांकां फायदो करून बारीक लोकांक जो त्रास दिवपा सारके असलें कितें हाडटा जाल्यार आमकां रस्त्यार येवपाक पडटलें आनीक आमचो इंट्रस्ट आसा तो आमी सांबाळपाक आनी चड करून कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेफगार्ड करपाक त्या खातीर आमी हांगा आसा हांव आतां मागता प्रोफेसर जॉन रिबेलो आनी प्रिएम्बल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाचचो एक रिमायंडर कसो की आमचे जे पयलींचे जे लिडर आशिल्ले हांणी कितलो सुमार थॉट घातिल्लो कितलो सुमार थॉट प्रोसेस आशिल्लो हो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ड्राफ्ट करतना आनी ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशना कारणाक लागून आमचो हो डायवर्स कंट्री आसा आमी कशे भाशेन युनायटेड रावल्ले आहा ते आज पासून Have we voted decisively to reject the politics of divisiveness?
Yes.
Have we voted to safeguard our constitution?
Yes.
Have we voted for economic and social justice?
Yes.
Have we voted against the massive corruption of the government through electoral bonds?
Yes.
Have we voted against the government that promotes defections and party splitting?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
I think we need to congratulate this new government, whatever it is. Hopefully they've come democratically. Let's hope so, right? But we will work with them, our country, our people, right? And we hope that they will do the best by us. And of course we have our reservations about the way things have happened in the last 10 years. We hope things will change and do whatever we need to possibly do. In a small way, we have all really worked hard and brought about this kind of change in our own Margao and in the the south, right? And we are very happy about this victory in the south. We will carry this forward in a democratic, peaceful way. Now I read the constitution to you. This is a jewel of a constitution, and as Savio said, it has been framed by people who have given their lives for this country, right? And we need to inculcate, or we need to get every child of us to know this preamble. The new education policy has come. Nowhere are they talking about the constitution. I think we also need, Savio, we need to ask them to incorporate this in the syllabus of the school, so that the children know what the objective of this country is. So we, the people of India, please repeat.
We, the people of India,
have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith,
faith
and worship.
and worship,
Equality,
equality
of status,
of status
and of opportunity,
and of opportunity,
and to promote
and to promote
among them all
among them all
fraternity,
fraternity,
assuring
assuring
the dignity
the dignity
of the individual
of the individual
and the unity
and the unity
and integrity
and integrity
of this nation.
of this nation.
In our Constituent Assembly,
Constituent Assembly,
this 26th day
26th day
of November 1949,
1949,
do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves
give to ourselves
this Constitution. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाये जब जय गाथा जन मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। Yes, so that we can spread out.